In this video, you are going to see the unboxing as well as review of these Ambrane true wireless earphones. And if you're planning to purchase any earphones which comes under 1000 or 2000 price category in especially in our India, do watch this video. And this is also one of the products you can look under the 2000 rupees price range. So without making any further delay, let's get started. Before digging into the review of these true wireless earphones, let's have a look at the unboxing so that you will get a good idea what are the contents we are getting and how the actual package looks like. Alright, that's all about the unboxing, and let's have the review of this product. Before going to the review, I will share one thing what I supposed to tell about these earphones. These are the best earphones I reviewed under this price category, because initially I thought like these are coming under 1000 rupees. Actually, I purchased this one for 999, which means very low, right? But now if I check the price in Flipkart, now it is 1999, 1 rupee less for 2000 rupees. I think these are the best one on that price range and on that time also. Actually, I'm having assumption like though these are 999 rupees priced, I do not expect much sound features in this one. But trust me guys, after using it for a couple of days, I realized that my assumption is totally wrong. It smashed all the assumptions which I made in my mind, and these are the very good earphones you can look at under 2000 price category. Well, let's get into the review of this one. Coming to the good things, first I will talk about the good things. Many good things are there, and only little bad things are there in this one. First, let's have a look at the good things. Coming to the first good thing I faced and I seen in these earphones, true wireless earphones, is the design, guys. The design is truly amazing in this one, and trust me, it feels like premium build quality and premium. Even though these are made up of plastic, many of the TWS earphones are made up of plastic, the design looks like amazing in my words, I will tell, in this price category. After taking into your hands, you feel like these are not to be in under this price, it should be more than this one. Of course, in the box on the back side they given the pricing as 3999 rupees, but you already know, and even I also know, the products won't sell in online at exact MRP pricing. And next thing is the weight. Even though these are TWS earphones, I thought like it's somewhat weight is there, but trust me, after using it, it is in my ears, I feel like my ears are empty without that. But the weight distribution is really good in this one. It's very light in weight, you can carry it along anywhere, and even while you are using in your ears also, particular somewhat time you feel like I don't have any TWS earphones on my ears. That is how the weight is there in this one. And next thing is we are having 2 extra tips, totally of 3 pairs of ear tips for this TWS one, and the fitting is really great, guys, and I don't face any of the problems while fitting into my ears. So for any type of users it will fit. It's not like the headphone one where you need to have large cups for large ears and small cups for small ears people. These are fit for everyone. Even though if it don't fit for you, you can change the tips so that it perfectly fit for you. And also haptics audio technology feature is available in this one, which results in the HD audio quality output. I can listen, I can see the change of this one of using the Qualcomm aptics one. You get good quality of audio, and that is the thing I am telling. I surprised with this one. At the time of purchase, I didn't know it is having Qualcomm aptics HD audio, but after getting the box and after opening on the below of that they given the Qualcomm aptics one, then I realized that oh, these are really great earphones. So yeah, the audio quality is really good. And next thing is, it's not under good things, but typically it is under good things. It comes with type C charging case. Most of the TW earphones you are seeing right now under price category, if you compare the price category, most of them are like micro USB cables only, but this one is having type C, which really great. You can carry this along anywhere with your only single cable of your phone, so no matter, you don't need any extra cables to carry while traveling. That's a great thing in this one. And also next feature is touch controls. Yes, you heard it right, this one is having touch controls. It's not like many touch controls, play or pause the audio and double tap to change the track or triple tap to forward the track, like that. Some basic one are there. And also even the more beautiful thing in this one is you can enable the Google Assistant or Siri. Yes, these TWS earphones support not only in Android but also in Apple phones, I mean iOS devices too. And also guys, these earphones are made by Qualcomm's QCC3020 chipset, which is great. And most of the TWS earphones are having somewhat chipset, but they are mentioning, I mean they highlighting the feature of this Qualcomm QCC3020 chipset, which gives a great, I mean great output for stereo or else mono. Also I will talk about the audio quality too in this one. When it comes to the audio quality, I listened songs and I watched movies and I played some of the games, and even I tried for video editing and audio editing too. It is my primary one also. So yeah, for video and audio editing it won't fit, and for also gaming also it's mostly do not fit, because due to the somewhat lagginess in the audio guys. You already know Bluetooth earphones are having somewhat lag in the audio, but when it goes to the premium ones in Bluetooth or TWS, you won't feel any lag, because we are under somewhat price category. That is why I'm telling. Game lag is also there, so I won't recommend for gaming also this one. And coming to the movies and listening songs and even while picking the calls also, these are good and price worthy also, and it will satisfy the pricing. And also the main feature many of the mobiles are lacking, but this one is having is IPX4 water resistant. Yes, you heard it right, it is having IPX4 water and dust resistant. Water resistance means it's a splash proof, and you can use it any or some breezy rain is there, or even you are going for workout or gym, you can use this no matter how much sweat it is. So yeah, these are comes with IPX4 water and dust resistant. Okay, when it comes to the playback, it comes in the box they given the 5 hours playback time, but during in my usage I'm typically getting around in between 4 to 5 hours. It's not touching 5 hours mark most time. Above 4 hours I'm getting 30 hours playing time with charging case, but I do not test this one because whenever you are free you charge the charging case, that is why. And when it comes to the earphones only I'm testing, these TWS or settle in around 4 to 5 hours of mark typically. And also as I told you earlier, I listened so many songs, watched movies and played some games, and also I attended so many classes and webinars through this TWS one, and the mic quality is pretty decent and it doesn't cancel all the background noise, but minimally it controls the background noise. And also I taken so many phone calls too with this one to test out. The audio quality is, it is okay and it satisfies that price point, and it doesn't have any active noise cancellation. And in the box they given like CVC 8.0 noise cancellation. I don't know exactly what it means CVC. I know active noise cancellation and passive noise cancellation. I don't know about this, but it cancels the background noise. Okay, when it comes to the fitting, as I told you in the first only, the fitting is good. And also for to check the fitting in my ears, I performed running, jogging, skipping and even some exercises, and I do cycling. There are many things I done with these TWS earphones, and trust me guys, it doesn't fall from my ears. That's the beauty of this one. It perfectly fit for your ears, and in case if it doesn't fit, change the ear tips so that you can get best fit for you. And also I rotated my head fastly to check whether these or come out my ears or not. First time it come out because of the bad fit of the ear tips, and later I changed the tips of the earphones, and then I tried the rotating my head fastly. It doesn't come out from my ears. That's really great and good in these earphones. So overall it passed my music test, movies test, as well as fitting test. So these are basically good to move on, like for normal usage. If you're using the wide earphones like that, you can use this one too, no matter, it won't create any problem. And then these earphones are easy to carry in your pocket or in your backpack or laptop bag, anywhere, because it's very tiny guys. As you can see, it looks like a capsule. You can easily put into your pocket or place in your bag and keep going. And finally I will close the pro section of this with the bass. So many nowadays are wanted bass in their earphones or headphones or whatever may be. Coming to the bass in this one, the bass is really okay. You can feel the bass in these earphones. Previously I posted the Patron gaming headphones where that one doesn't have any bass. It's like flat music, and this one is having bass, and you can observe the highs, mids and lows of any particular music track. That's all about the good things and pros of this one guys. There are so many good things out there as you observe. And coming to the bad things, there are typically some bad things which lagging in this one. I will tell one by one. Coming to the first bad thing I faced right after this one is basically if you purchase any TWS or Bluetooth earphones, the first thing you have to do is connection process. But the connection process in this one is somewhat not good. Actually, these are, you already know, separate earphones are there for left and right ears. When it comes to the connection, most of the TWS earphones connect within a time. But in this one, the procedure is different guys. You have to connect one by one, like left ear separate and right ear separate, like that you have to connect, then only it will pair, otherwise only single one will pair. They given this feature because if you accidentally forget any earphone in your home or office places, so that you can actually use another one. That's the main theme behind this one. But most of the people won't forget in this one because these are very tiny. They just into pockets and then they are ready now. So this is the one of the bad thing I faced. And coming to the next thing I faced, and this is the bad thing last guys. Actually it is having Google and Siri support. When you long press the right side earphone, the assistant, whatever the assistant you are having in your mobile will activate. Actually I'm using my Samsung mobile, it automatically activates the Bixby. In iPhone it Siri. So sometimes it doesn't actually collecting the data, which means that if you long press the right side earphone, it won't activate the Google Assistant. And sometimes even though you are not touching the right side earphone, it automatically turn on the Google Assistant. That is the problem I faced in this earphone. So yeah, that's all about the con section. Only two bad things I found in this one. So finally, for whom it is recommended and for whom it is not recommended, except for video and audio editing and for gaming also, because due to the lag, remaining all tasks it performs really well, and listening songs, movies, picking the calls, it really perform really great. That's all about the video guys. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I think you are having one choice of TWS earphones under the price category of 2000 rupees, and if you're having any of the one which beats this, go through that one, or else stick to these are really great. And coming to the warranty, I forgotten, it comes with 1 year of warranty. I'll leave the links in the description box. If you are interested, feel free to check the links. And in Flipkart it is available. If it is available in Amazon also, I will leave the link in description. Check the description box for more information. That's all about the video. Thanks for watching. As usual, my name is Rajshekhar and you're watching Tech Bunny, and keep supporting and subscribe to the Tech Bunny channel and like this video for more engaging this video to little fellows like you. And I will catch you in the next video with new unboxing and new review of another product. Take care. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.